Hey, it's Emily from WTI. Be honest with me, what's something you have with you all the time? It's your water bottle, isn't it? What's something you wish you had with you all the time? I'm gonna guess it's a phone holder, selfie stick, something to keep track of your cell phone, be able to watch videos, a phone stand. Well, I'm about to blow your mind because this AquaStand water bottle from RHINOSHIELD is both of those things, and it works amazing. First off, let's just say this is a really rad water bottle. So it's insulated, it's stainless steel, it comes with a straw. You can use it with or without the straw. It comes with a straw cleaner. It's got a really nice click lid here. It's got a little latch so you can keep the lid closed. It's waterproof, it's leak proof, but it's also holding a secret. And the secret is this amazing mag stand on the top. So this works with all MagSafe compatible phones, or you can attach something to your phone so that it will permanently work with this magnetic ring. This ring is adjustable and a super strong magnet. So that means that you can use this magnetic ring as a phone holder to do selfies, videos. You can use it simply to hold and keep track of your phone. You can use it to watch movies and videos. You can use it if you're doing video conferencing or Zoom calls or FaceTiming, you name it. This thing holds your phone up, holds it steady, keeps it sturdy, and you know it's always gonna be with you. Why? Because it's your water bottle, which you already have your emotional support water bottle with you. I guarantee it. Friends, this thing's gonna change your life. But that's just my point of view.